Welcome to Dakar 2024.
Le Dakar est avant tout une espèce d'école de l'aventure géante.
Extremely hard conditions for these vintage cars, and the idea was to make things even harder with more sand, more dunes. We don't have the feeling of racing each other. We help each other, and that's pretty rare on rallies. People are here to enjoy themselves and share their experience.
For us, it means a lot to honor the real pioneers that brought the car in 82, 83, 84 to the Dakar.
The winner of the Dakar Clàssic category 2024, representing Spain, Carlos Santolaya and Yadro Saiviñas.